Morning class, morning class 7. Today we read number system, the binary number system in our computer classes. This is our first chapter. We start with the binary number system or the number system. Number system is a set of value used to represent the different contents in our day-to-day life. For example, we are using so many numbers in our daily life, but there is only 0 to 9 number which we are using. For example, if we writing any number, for example, I am writing the 543. The 5 is also comes in 0 to 9, 4 is also comes in 0 to 9, and 3 also comes in 0 to 9. So we are using only 10 digits, 10 numbers in our daily life. For example, just like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These numbers we are using in our daily life. So we start the chapter, the decimal number system. Suppose you want to know the number of the student in your class. Okay, you will simply contains the number of the student one by one. अगर हमको if we want to know any the number of students in our class, so what we do? We just count the number of students one by one. So this is known as also as the decimal number system. But there are 10 digits in a decimal number system. These 10 digits from 0 to 9. As I already say you, we are using only 10 digits in our numbers. It's 0 to 9. The binary number system. Most important, which why we are here. Binary means composed of two. Binary number system used only two digits 0 and 1. Binary number system is used to widely in computer. Okay, there is we already and every time we are talking about the computer runs only in two numbers 0 and 1. 0 means off and 1 means on. These numbers are known as binary number. Okay. Now the conversion. Why we use the conversion? Because anything we write in our computer convert this thing in binary number or sometimes the binary to decimal number. So we have to read how to convert the binary to decimal number. Okay, because anything which we write in any language, computer automatically convert that thing in a binary number. But how can we convert the computer language in our language? It's known as convert to the binary to the decimal. For example, there is a binary number written here 10101 written now. And also one more thing you have to remember, 10101, what we are talking, we are starting everything from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. But how can we write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? But if we have any number after the dot, for example 0.011, then we start -1 after the dot, -1, -2 and -3, and then we write the same number before the point, 10101. How can we convert the binary number in a decimal number? Okay, 1 multiplied by 2, 0 multiplied by 2 power 1, 1 multiplied by 2 power 2, 0 multiplied by 2 power 3, 1 multiplied by 2 power 4. As you all know, if we have any number which power is 0, then what we have the value is 1. किसी भी नंबर का पावर 0 होगा उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है 1. Then anything multiplied by 1 means 1 is multiplied by 1, it's 1. Now any number which have the power of 1, that means the number is same. When anything is the power of 1, the number is same, there is no change. Then 2 power 1, then we have 2. 2 multiplied 0, when anything multiplied by 0, then we have the 0. 2 power 2, if we have any square of 2 means 2 ka power 2, 2 into 1 2 का power 2, it's 4. 4 into 1 equal to 4. Now 2q is 8. 8 multiplied by 0, any number is multiplied by 0, then we have the 0. 2 power 4, it's 16. 16 into 1, it's 16. So then after then we have to add these numbers. 16 plus 4 plus 1. What we have? The 21. Okay. This 21 is the our decimal number. But we also have one more number after the point 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0. But it starts from the back. 1, 1, 0. 1 into 2 minus 3. 1 into 2 minus 2. 0 into 2 minus 1. We have the decimal. So we also have the power. So minus 3 of 2 is 0.12. 2 minus 2 it's 0.25, and 2 minus 1 it's 5, but 0.5. But anything multiplied by 0 it's 0. Anything 2.5 it's multiplied by 1 this time, so 0.25, and 2 minus 3 is the power 0.123 multiplied by 1, it's 0.123. Then what we have? 0.375, and then add these number 21.375. 21 from here and 0.375 from here. Just like that we convert from the digital decimal to binary number. Now decimal to binary. How can we convert any decimal to binary? How? This time we multiplied by 2. This time we divide from 2. Any number which we have in a decimal, then we divide by 2. Only 2, not more than 2. 2. For example, we have a 7 number. 7 number, we want to convert the 7 number in our binary number. Okay. So what we do? 7 divided by 2. Then we have 3. Means 3 times 3 2 is 6, and how many we have the remainder? It's 1. Then again 2 to 3, 1 time 202, and what do we have the in remainder? 1. 2. If we doing 1 divided by 2, then we have nothing, directly remainder 1. And how many times? It's 0 time naturally, and 2 again 0, it's 1. So what is the answer? 0 and 1 1 1. This is the binary number of 7. You see it's written here, which we have prove right now. Now the octal number system. Octal number system. This number system has the 8 digits from 0 to 7. Octal number system. It's have only 8 digits, 0 to 7. Anything which we take in this number system, it start with the 0. And how much it got is his problem, but it start with the 0 to 7. Okay. Now the octal number system, we have a digit 2416. Now we convert the 2416 in decimal number. The octal number converted in a decimal number. 2416. This is the number. This is our octal number, and we convert in a decimal number. Then how can we convert this one? Any number is multiplied by 8, and one number is, first number is, for example, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000. First number is 0, second 1, 4 means third it's 2, and the last one is third. Okay. 6 multiplied by 8, 0, the power 0. 1 into 8 power 1, 4 into 8 power 2, 3 into 8 power 3. Then what we do? 6, 8, it's anything which we have the power of 0, then we have the 1 now. So 1 into 6 equal to 6, and then the 8 into 1, then we have the 8 power 1, then we have the 8 into 1, it's 8 of a square, it's 16 into 4, 256, 8 cube, it's 512, then 512 multiplied by 2, 1024. Then this is the our answer, 1294. 1294 is the decimal number. Which one? The octal number is 2416 is converted in a decimal number, then we have 1294. The last topic is hexadecimal number system. This time we using the 16 digit 0 to 9 plus, then 0 to 9 we have the 10 numbers, and what we do for the last 6 digit, then A, B, C, D, E, F. A represent 11, A represent 10, B represent 11, C represent and 12, D represent 13, E 14, and F 15. Okay, now we do look how can we do this. We are taking a number 3B, and B represent the 0, 1 and 3, it's 1. We talked before in this chapter, everything start with the 0. Every number start with the 0 and then 1. First value is 0. B into 16, every number is multiplied by 16, but 16 have the power of 0. Then we have 1. But there is a B represent 11. B represent 11. As we already talking about, B represent 11. A represent 10. B represent 11. Then 11 into 1, 11. Then again 16 power with 1. Then we have 16. 16 into 3. 3 into 16 equal to 48. Then 48 plus 11, it's 59. So if we have 3B as a hexadecimal number, so what we have in a decimal number is 59. So this is for your today's chapter. This chapter is now finished for you. This is very easy. Read your book. Thank you everyone.